Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Easy Math Learning by Kiran Kumari. Today I am going to teach you BODMAS rule. What is the meaning of BODMAS rule and how we can simplify the given problems using BODMAS rule. That I am going to teach you in very easy and simple manner. Do watch till the end to understand better. You will get the links of my other math videos in the description. Do check it. If you find the videos are useful, like the videos and subscribe to my channel. If you have any doubts, you can mail me. I have provided my email address also in the description. Now, let us understand about BODMAS rule and its problems based on it. Here I have the first problem. 45 minus 43 plus 56 plus 5. To simplify easily, what I will do, I will add all the positive numbers together and then I will do the subtraction. Like 45 plus 56 plus 5. If I add these all numbers, I get 106 as the answer. 106 minus 43. If I do, I will get the answer very quickly. Now here I will add first and then subtract. Here I have only two operations. One is addition and subtraction. Whenever I have addition and subtraction, first I will do addition and then we will do the subtraction. In the second question, I have all the four operations of math. I have division, multiplication, addition and subtraction. Whenever we have all the four operations, how we are going to simplify the problem? It's like first we will simplify the division, followed by multiplication, addition, then finally subtraction. So in this problem, what we will do? First we will do 36 divided by 4. That is 9 is the quotient. 9 into 3. We get 27 as the product. 27 plus 7, 34. 34 minus 4, we get 30 as the answer. Here this is called as DMAS rule. D stands for division, M stands for multiplication, A stands for addition, S stands for subtraction. Whenever we have all the four basic operations in any problem, then we are going to use DMAS rule and then we will simplify the problem. Along with the four basic operations, if we have brackets also, then first we will solve the brackets and then we will do the same division, multiplication, addition and subtraction same. So this rule is called as BODMAS rule. B stands for brackets, O stands for off, D for division, M for multiplication, A for addition, S for subtraction. Brackets of division, multiplication, addition, subtraction. This is BODMAS rule. BODMAS rule is also called as PEDMAS rule. Here P stands for parenthesis, E stands for exponents, D stands for division, M stands for multiplication, A stands for addition, S stands for subtraction. Now, let us understand the types of brackets first and then we will understand the BODMAS rule. Let us understand the types of brackets. The first one is parenthesis. It looks like a curve. Parenthesis. Second one is square brackets. Third one is flower brackets. Next one is bar bracket. If you see above 5 minus 2, there is one straight line, right? So that is called bar. Now first brackets we have. The first always we will simplify parenthesis and bar brackets. After parenthesis we will simplify square brackets and finally at the last we will simplify flower bracket. Now let us solve the first problem. 36 plus 2 into 2 plus 12 divided by 4 into 3 minus 2 into 2, close the bracket, minus 10. Now here what we are going to do, first we are going to solve the parenthesis. That is 20 plus 12 divided by 4 into 3 minus 2 into 2. That we are going to simplify. In that also, first we will simplify the division. In the parenthesis, we are going to simplify the division, that is 12 divided by 4. The next step, we will copy all the numbers same 36 plus 2 into 20 plus, instead of 12 divided by 4, we will be writing the quotient. 12 divided by 4 is 3. 36 plus 2 into 20 plus 3 into 3 minus 2 into 2, close the bracket, minus 10, we will write the same. Now in the next step, if we see 20 plus 3 into 3 minus 2 into 2, in the parenthesis there are two multiplication, 3 into 3 and 2 into 2. So first what we will do, we will find the product of these two numbers and then we will write the in the next step. 36 plus 2 into 20 plus place of 3 into 3 we have written 9, in place of 2 into 2 we have written 4. Other than that all the numbers are same. The next step what we will do, 20 plus 9, we will add 20 plus 9 because we have addition and subtraction together. 20 plus 9 minus 4. First we will add, then we will subtract. Next step is 36 plus 2 into 29 minus 4, close the bracket, minus 10. That is the next step. So here we have added 20 plus 9 is 29. Now next what are we going to do in the next step? 29 minus 4 we are going to do it. 29 minus 4 is 25. Other than that we will copy all the numbers same. Now again 2 into 25 we need to do it. 36 plus 2 into 25 is 50. 36 plus 50 minus 10. Next, here we have 36 plus 50, both are plus symbols only. 36 plus 50 is 86 minus 10. Now 86 minus 10 is 76. This is the answer. If you observe this problem again, we have only replaced that operations. Now here instead of 12 divided by 4, we have written the quotient 3. And then other numbers we have written same. In each step, we are going to simplify that portions and then we will be replacing it. That is very important thing which you need to remember. So let us solve next problem. Now this is the second problem. In this second problem also we can see we have parenthesis, square bracket and flower bracket. So first we are going to simplify the parenthesis. In the parenthesis we have 9 divided by 3 minus 2. Here we have division and subtraction both. First we are going to do the division, that is 9 divided by 3. Instead of this we were going to write everything same. But in place of 9 divided by 3 we are going to write 3 because 9 divided by 3 equals to 3. Now here in the parenthesis again we have 3 minus 2. 9 divided by 3 is 3 minus 2. Now next we are going to solve 3 minus 2. 3 minus 2 is 1. The parenthesis will go now. Now 1 into 4 minus 2 will be inside the square bracket. So 3 minus 2 will be 1. Now we are going to simplify the square bracket. Now 1 into 4 minus 2. Here we have multiplication and subtraction. The next plus, in next step what we will be there? In place of 1 into 4, we will be writing only 4 minus 2. So now 4 ones are 4 minus 2. Now we are going to do subtraction. 4 minus 2 is 2. Now again the square bracket also will not be there. Next step, 6 minus 2 plus 10. Here we have addition and subtraction. So first we will add. 6 plus 10 is 16 minus 2. 16 minus 2 is 14. Now let us solve the next problem. 25 plus of 3. So here we have the next problem. Now first what we will be doing, we will be simplifying the parentheses. Here we have two parentheses. The first one is 6 into 7. Second one is 55 divided by 5. In the next step, in place of 6 into 7, we will be writing 6 sevens are 42. And in place of 55 divided by 5, we will be writing the quotient, that is 5 elevens are 55. In place of 55 divided by 5, we will write 11. Now here we have replaced 6 into 7 by 42. In place of 55 divided by 5, we have replaced 11. Now again the parenthesis we have. For what we are going to do, first we have to simplify 4 into 11. In place of 4 into 11, we are multiplying and writing 44. 4 elevens are 44. So next place we are just replacing 4 into 11 by 44. Now here 42 plus 3 is 45. 45 plus 44 is 89. Now here you can see that we have replaced this square bracket into 89. Now 25 plus 89 we will add, and then we will do the subtraction with 32. 25 plus 89 is 114 minus 32. The answer is 82. Here we have simplified this problem also using BODMAS rule. Again, whenever you have parentheses in the given question, first we have to simplify the parentheses, and then we will simplify the square brackets, and then finally we will do the square brackets. Now I hope so you understood this concept also clearly. Now here I have given some problems for you to practice this BODMAS rule. Here I have given only 2 problems. You can simplify. If you get any doubt, you can just mail me. I have provided the email address in the description too.